Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix WhatsApp not working on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix WhatsApp not working on our phone, we'll be going to 3 or 4 steps and confirming a few things. That is, make sure that your WhatsApp is in on the entire process is closed on your phone and not doing any sort of activity. And after that, open the settings of your phone and navigate to the app section of your phone. You can see there is the app settings available for us just above the location. Tap on apps, and on this interface you can see the app management at the top of the screen. Now from over here at the search bar at the top of the screen, search for WhatsApp and open it. Now the first step after closing your WhatsApp on your phone is to force stop it, and after that reopen it and check either your WhatsApp is working or not. If it's fixed, then you will not be required to proceed with this process. And after confirming that, after force stopping it and opening, if it's still not working, go to the storage usage over here and try clearing your cache over here. If a lot of cache is stored on the WhatsApp, it will start to hang or not work, and tap on the clear cache. By doing this, your WhatsApp will be a little bit lighter. But if it's still not helping, then guys, you will be required to clear data on your phone. But after clearing cache, guys, make sure you close your WhatsApp app and reopen it. And with that being done, also if it's still not working, tap on the clear data. But I must warn you guys, your account data as well as everything on WhatsApp will be wiped out, and you will have like reinstalled your WhatsApp. It will be from the new. You will be required to re-log in or re-sign up for a WhatsApp account from over there. And after clearing your data and re-logging in, WhatsApp will start to work. But guys, if it's still not working, go to the Play Store and check either your WhatsApp needs an update or not. So let's search for the WhatsApp. And over here, guys, I don't need an update. If there was an update required, there will be the update button installed instead of the open button. And after checking that, guys, after doing all of the things over here, if it's still not working, then try reinstalling WhatsApp on your phone by uninstalling it and installing it. You can see there is the uninstall button over here just beside the force stop. You can uninstall it, and after that reinstall it from the Play Store over here, and your WhatsApp will start to work in no time. And with that being said, guys, these are the fixes you can if your WhatsApp is not working on your phone. And guys, this is how to fix WhatsApp not working. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.